Guess, is it possible to achieve this hairstyle with my edges? I would advise you all to keep watching until the end. Hey boss, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to do some top knot bun, right? I don't know whether it is possible with my edges, but I will advise you to keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to use one pack of hair extension, which is expression. You can choose to twist it, you can choose to braid it, you can choose to squeeze it. I choose to braid it to show you how you can achieve that type too. And if today is your first time coming across here, guys, please, this channel is new. Don't forget to support your sister by subscribing and press the like button, please, please, please. Thank you all for your love. Thank you for your support, guys. I really appreciate that. Thank you for everything. I will let you enjoy the video and please keep watching. So after holding the pony, I'm applying the hair cream before I will continue with the gel, because I will not like the eco gel to soak into my hair and get it too much dry. And on top of that, I will also add a little bit of hair cream and continue watching, guys. Now that we are done slicking our pony down, let's go with our edges. Today I'm going to try with another gel on my edges made with argan oil, and keep watching, guys. So we are back, guys. I'm going with you step by step on how to style the bun, right? Keep watching, guys. So roll the extension on your hair depending on where you want to start from, whether it is from up or it is from down. I'm starting from down so that I am able to see the size I want. And you can also choose the size, whether it is a big size and short or you want it slim and long. Keep watching, guys. So I made sure before fixing my pins I had the size I want, and I also made sure I fixed the pins very well to be able to spend some more days with, so it lasts like 4 to 5 days. And you can also choose to remove it when you are going to bed. You can choose to leave it on. I was leaving it on, and yeah, it is a very easy style, guys. You can remove, you can fix back the following day. You can also choose to leave it, depend on how you sleep. Yeah, keep watching, guys. So this is the close look, guys, and the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. I hope you are able to do it next time. Until we meet next time. Mwah!